How to transfer money from Apple Gift Card to Cash App. Directly transferring money from an Apple gift card to Cash App isn't possible due to Apple's restrictions. Apple gift cards are specifically for purchases within Apple's ecosystem, such as apps, subscriptions, or Apple products. However, you can use these alternative methods. Use a gift card exchange platform like Raise, Card Cash, Gift Card Granny. Sell your Apple gift card for cash or PayPal credit. Transfer the cash to your bank account, then move it to Cash App. Find someone who wants to purchase an Apple gift card. They can pay you via Cash App in exchange for the card's value. Use the Apple gift card to pay for apps, subscriptions, or products you were already planning to buy. Free up equivalent cash in your Cash App account for other needs. Thanks for watching.